In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover Google Photos locked folder. The first thing to understand is that recovery depends entirely on whether backup was enabled for your locked folder before the photos disappeared. If backup was turned off, those files were stored only on your device's internal memory. That means if they were deleted from the locked folder or lost because of an app reset, they usually cannot be restored through Google Photos itself. If you did enable Cloud Sync for your hidden files, then you have the best recovery option. In that case, you can access your locked folder from another device or from the Google Photos web client. Open Google Photos on the web or sign in on a different phone or tablet. On the web, look for locked folder in the left-hand menu. In the app, go to Collections, then Locked. You may be asked to verify your identity using your account password or your device security method. Once you get in, check whether your missing items are still there. There's also another possibility to check. If you originally backed up the photos before moving them into the locked folder, a copy may still exist in your main cloud storage history or in trash. To look for that, open the Google Photos app and go to Collections, then Trash. Search for the original files there. Google Photos typically keeps items in trash for around 30 to 60 days, depending on how they were stored and your backup settings. If you find the photo, press and hold it, then tap Restore. If your photos were never backed up at all, recovery becomes much harder. In that situation, deleted locked folder items do not go to the Google Photos trash. They are removed directly from local storage, so your only remaining option is deep local data recovery. If you need to try that route, stop using your phone as soon as possible. This is important because new activity can overwrite the deleted data and make recovery much less likely. Then use a desktop-based recovery tool such as Dr. Phone, Disk Digger, or iMobi Droid Kit to scan the phone's physical storage through a USB connection and USB debugging. This method isn't guaranteed, but it may be the only chance when no backup exists. To protect yourself going forward, make sure cloud syncing is turned on specifically for the locked folder. Open the Google Photos app, tap your profile picture, go to Photos Settings, then Backup, and turn on Backup Locked Folder. That way, if something happens in the future, your sensitive media has a much better chance of being recoverable.